it's Annalise with Music Notes, and I'm here to show you how to make some more cards from the card kits in my Etsy shop. So we have 4 cards that we're going to make that are included in this kit, and they're just really bright and colorful and interactive, really fun to make. And as you know, I have my kit. It comes with instructions, so you can recreate these kits for these cards from scratch. So it has all the dimensions and the supplies used. So we'll take a look at that as well. But first, let's look at what we're going to make. So we have this really pretty pastoral, like horse card. It has this belly band, which slides off. And then this panel folds down so you can see the whole image and the sentiment around it. May your heart be brave, your mind be fierce, and your spirit be free. And the card actually opens up as well, so you have plenty of room to write a message to send to a friend. So I love this card. It's very gender neutral, so it's really good for anyone you want to send it to. So it's really nice to have a card like this handy. Let's take a look at this one next. This is the Workout Gal Wheelie Set. And so you can see this fun lady on her exercise bike. And on the inside, here's a little mechanism. So you go ahead and just turn the mechanism, and she is cycling on her bicycle. I think it's really cute. We're going to go ahead and make that, and it can be a little tricky, so no problem. We're going to learn how to put that together. No problem. This next card is one of my favorites with little hamsters. So you're totally tubular. It's cute because the door actually opens and closes, and the window as well. So a little interactive, really easy to make. And then this one, we're going to have some fun with ink blending around the edges. It has some little sparkly gems, and it says it's your birthday with the octopus. And open it up, and the sentiment kind of flips down. And this is using a flip card die. So we're going to go ahead and in the next video see how these cards are made. And as you know, when you get your kit, it comes in a big plastic bag. Again, it's full color instructions, all the materials that are being used, all the dimensions you want to cut, so you can recreate these cards. You can always substitute it for different patterns, different stamps, but some really good inspiration and instructions for you to use. Each kit is bagged individually, so it's really easy to see what you need to create each card. So all the pieces that you need are inside. You will need some extra materials to finish making these cards. So let's talk about what that is. You'll want some adhesive. So a tape runner is always a good option. Instead, if you want to, you can use liquid glue. That's fine. I like to have a few different options on hand, like some score tape, which is a little stronger, and also some foam tape to give a little bit of dimension on certain things. And for this kit, it's also handy just to have some regular tape like Scotch. You'll also want some scissors handy. For this kit, tweezers can come in handy for the little brads, so it's easier to hold on to. It's not required, but I think a ruler and a bone folder really comes in handy as well. And then, of course, you'll want to have some kind of ink and a blender brush. So maybe you have the little blending brushes from Tim Holtz with the little foams. That would work, or you could use a brush more like this. I'm going to use the Distress Oxide Broken China, but you can substitute this for different ink, different kinds of blending. Really, it's up to you. You can kind of change things around. So I'll see you in the next videos where I go through each card, how to make them from the kit. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one.